Hey guys, welcome back to another video of WK18! Today, my friend Andrea will be joining me. She has been in pretty much of almost every video that I've done.
Except for a few.
Except for some of them.
Because I haven't.
But I'm listening to a song right now, so if I start singing, it's not my fault. What the? I'm going to play Escape Grandma's.
Zombie. Oh, I played that one.
Gonna rise till we fall.
What the heck? That goes with sideways for a second.
Speak our language. They say we're too savage. Yeah. No. We don't give up anymore.
Escape Grandma.
Rise till we fall. Rise till we fall. Language. They say we're too savage. Yeah.
That's your outfit because I haven't seen it.
Anymore.
You're so cute.
I know. Rise.
It looks like you're touching the water.
Yeah, rise. Rise.
Oh, don't eat all of them. Take one. Get one for Andrew and one for you.
Hey guys, sorry, my little brother's here.
Don't.
You want a few?
After that, give me the box back.
Gimme, never yet.
Please.
Yay, candy!
Candy.
1 second.
Candy.
You're not having any
Don't
more
eat them yet.
Brisa.
Sorry guys,
You-
we have candy.
Yeah, and we're just waiting on me fully now.
Moving out of mom's house. I'm proud. Sorry guys, I'm just splitting candies.
Yeah.
Language, they say we're too savage, yeah. Yay!
Did you just take one mine?
You had one more than me.
Okay.
I rise till we fall.
Can I do this? Because I'm pretty good at this. Wait, I just saw Dennis Davey in a picture.
Anymore.
Oh! I don't know! And the guy changed the But once I actually hacked this game, I made it so I could like cheat on it. Wait, look, that's Davey. What?
Hello. This skin is annoying.
Not for me. Here, I can do it.
No.
Just take your time on each jump. Think about it. And don't just jump rapidly.
Okay, guys, we'll be right back within a bit. Well, we can't really, do Roblox. We're just gonna watch a, yeah. Okay, we're watching Ragdoll and my friend is not here anymore.
Just kidding.
Yep.
I would never leave her. They're leaving her daughter behind. What the heck? His face still. Yeah, fine.
I have one more Oreo left. I have 2 more Oreos left in my pocket.
You only ate one. Ow!
I had no idea. I want my mommy.
Yeah.
It's got a weird flavor.
Yum 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 yum. Ma.
And guys, I have a little bit of an accent. Or maybe I don't have an accent. Maybe I just didn't have a tooth for 2 years. I like the 2 different eye characters. Let's go back reading and see. 2 more tables? And he's so annoying. Wait, is there any music playing? Was that yours? How beautiful this is.
I'm recording. Do you not know that?
Let's give Fred a piece of some paper, guys.
What the heck? Guys, we're gonna be right back. We're just gonna go get some candy. Okay. Well, we're back. Well, we are back.
Why?
Continue watching.
3, 2, 1.
I will be mute for the rest of this video, okay?
Okay. And I will too.
Can you?
I didn't punch you.
Yes, you did.
Sorry, guys. They're having a fight, kinda.
Kinda.
Okay, I'll be quiet now.
Is what
Has
on.
on her eyes. Annoying.
No, bitch.
You guys have to help me. Guys, this is a censored up video. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Let's just continue the video.
It won't hurt. Not now.
He's a psychopath. I don't like that sound.
Sarah's dead. Wait,
That-
what sound? Is there any sound in the whole video? I don't know.
The sound's gone for some reason. I'm sorry if you guys can't hear it. There's all the people that are dead. No, please don't hurt her. She's only a baby. What the heck is my little brother watching?
Wow.
Now let's sleep. Okay. Adwin. I'm just gonna call him Adwin. It smells like one.
Smell?
I know it will. It's good. Get out of here. Let me take your thing off.
What
The
flipping flip?
what the flip did he do to that poor little girl? She's so sweet.
Put it back on before he finds out and kicks your butt.
Poor little girl.
I would 100%.
Feel bad for her. Like really bad, guys.
I would take that. Not her. She's so young.
Okay, guys. I think we'll have to end the video here.
Because it's upset already.
Please subscribe and like the video. Comment down below what I should do next. Bye.